So the question is 1,146 times 85. So what we have to do is we have to split up all of the numbers and we have to do them separately. So we take the 1,000, we times that by 5. So it's 5,000. 100 times 5 is 500. 40 times 5, 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. But that was only the ones column from the 85. So now we have to do the tens columns, which is an 80.
Can I back you up for just a second?
Yep.
40 times 5. Can you talk us through that?
Yep. 40 times 5. So what we have to do, this was an easier way to do it. It's 40 times 5, so we take away the 0, and so then it's pretty much 4 times 5.
Which is?
Which is 25, and then you have to add another.
Whoa, can you do some skip counting?
Yep. So 5, 10, 15, 20.
That's okay, no worries. No worries.
And then
So if 4 times 5 is 20, what is 40 times 5?
40 times 5 is 200.
Yay!
What do you think about your place value there?
Yeah.
There we go.
20 times.
40 times can't be 25.
There, we just avoided a whole world of pain with your final answer.
And 6 times 5, it's no 0 this time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30. So on to the 80s columns. 1,000 times 80 equals 80,000. 100 times 80 equals 8,000. 40 times 80 equals 32. 3,200. No.
Yes.
Okay.
Because, what, do you want to talk that one through?
Because again, like up here, you cross out the zeros, and so it would be 4 times 80, and then at the end you would add another 0 on. So
How
4
many
times
zeros?
80.
How many zeros onto 32?
1. And
1?
2. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so 4 times 80 equals 320, and then 0.
So 4 times 80 is 320. 40 times 80, you had it right, 3,200.
Okay. And so 6 times 80, we can cross out the 0 again, and that's 489. Like, no, sorry, 48, and then you add another 0 at the end.
Perfect. Okay, and so what do we call that when we break the numbers apart? What do we call that?
It's called decomposition.
And when we do the separate products?
Partial products.
Okay, and what are you going to do with those partial products?
Then at the end, we have to add them all together. So what we did is we put them all in one place value. And so these are all the ones columns. These are all the tens columns. Hundreds, thousands. So there's none in the ones column. 0. Hundreds. Tens, there's a 3 and an 8. So it would be 1, because we went over, so we would add an extra 1 right there for later. And hundreds, 5 and a 2. 1, 2, 4. So it goes over again, and that's 3, but plus the extra 1, which is a 4. Add an extra 1 right there.
That's interesting. So you do your carrying over underneath?
Okay. Right there. And thousands, there's a 5, a 0, and an 8. So you go over again, and a 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8, plus the other 8. And I know 8 times 8 is 16, so we put a 6 there. But wait, plus the other 1.
You have to carry that.
So 7, and we put another 1 there. so carrying a lot. And then billions, I think it is. No, thousands, sorry.
10,000.
Thousands. Okay, I'm like so just an 8 plus an extra 1, so that's a 9. And that
Great. I would recommend, because we can't see your carrying over, I would recommend you put your carrying over on the very top.